Welcome to Unit 21 of 22 Cessna Drive, Caboolture. With 60 square metres of ground floor and a roller door and a personal entry door, spaces like this do not last long. And with high access roller door, you're getting your big vehicles in here, no problems at all. It even has its own internal toilet and kitchenette. Lunchtime is sorted. Very sought after is your own exclusive use car parks in complexes like this, and it's right here, right beside it. And located at the front of the complex, your sign sticks out nicely. And if you want to know more about this unit, contact
Crystal at the Commercial Guys.
This won't last long.